In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all email attachments or specific attachment types in Gmail, or whether you're trying to clean up your inbox, find that pesky document you need for a meeting, or simply want more control over your email files. This is a skill that can save you a significant amount of time and effort. So let's dive into this simple yet effective process of locating attachments within your Gmail account. First, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll find the search bar. This search bar is your key to unlocking a more organized inbox. With a simple search query, you'll be able to sift through all your emails to find the attachments you need. Next, you'll need to type a specific search command into the search bar to find attachments. Simply type has attachment to bring up any emails that contain attachments in your inbox. But if you're searching for a specific type of file, let's say PDFs, you can refine your search using an additional parameter. Type has attachment file name .pdf into the search bar. This tells Gmail that you're specifically looking for emails with PDF attachments. It's a concise and powerful way to zero in on exactly what you're looking for among potentially thousands of emails. Gmail's search feature supports a variety of file types, so if you're looking for Word documents or Excel spreadsheets, you can replace PDF with the respective file extensions, such as doc or XLSX. This flexibility allows you to tailor your search to meet your specific needs. Once you run the search, Gmail will display all the emails that meet your criteria, showing each email with its corresponding attachments. From here, you can click into each email to access the attachments directly. If you find attachments that you need, you can download them onto your device for further use or documentation. This method not only helps you quickly find attachments, but also aids in managing your storage. If you find large files that you no longer need, you can delete them to free up space, keeping your Gmail account efficient and clutter-free. Remember, an organized inbox can vastly improve your productivity and ensure you never miss out on important files. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find all of your email attachments, or to zero in on specific types of attachments within your Gmail account. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks.